What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the TTR 125 out here. This is gonna be probably the last episode on it, on the build series. Also probably get some riding clips in, but we've got the graphics on it, front and back. We got us a front fender in the mail like this. We'll put it on, see if it came with these graphics on it. I don't know if how well it's gonna match. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, then I'll just take him off. I have graphics for it. And yeah, and then we'll just do an oil change on it and the build's complete. So now I'm just gonna use one of these little Mr. Clean Pad wipes thingies. And you come over here, you make it wet, and it pulls off all the junk. Like right here, all this dirt should be gone. So let's hope it does the job good. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so to change the oil on these bikes, super easy. You just like oil pan under it. Make sure I won't overshoot right here. It's like a 17 millimeter, and you're literally done, except for the filling out part. Yep. So now all the oil has drained out of it. So what we're gonna wanna do, just get a rag like this, wipe it up, and then get this bolt and screw it back in. Tighten it back up. Alright. Now you just go on the other side, get some 10W40 oil, like this. Make sure it's conventional, not synthetic. Put however much is required for the engine, and you're basically done. I'm pretty sure this one's just 1 quart of oil, but I'll make sure, and once we fill it up, I'll show you that it runs. Alrighty guys, so we clean up the plastics. They're nice and white in the front and in the back. And change the oil so it's nice and good now. Let's see if electric start will work. She runs good now. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, do everything, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.